Find the total volume of the complex figure. Use pi approximately 3.14. So let's first see what we have here. What figure is composed of this complex figure? I see a cube because the bottom prism is 4 by 4 by 4, so we have a cube here, and we have pyramids. So I can use the volume formula for a cube, which is length times width times height. And then I can use the volume formula for pyramid, which is a third times BH. And if I add the two together, that will give me the volume of this complex figure. Volume is a lot easier than the surface area complex figure because it's just a space inside of it. We don't have to worry about the overlapping bases and so forth. We just have to find the volume of individual figures and then just add them together. So in this case, the volume of that cube would be 4 times 4 times 4, which would be 64, and then plus the volume of this pyramid would be a third times the area of the base, which is 4 times 4, times the height of that pyramid, which would be 2. Now look at this figure that they also point out the slant height. Be careful when we're trying to find the volume of a pyramid. We don't want the slant height, but we want the height of the pyramid, which would be the line that's perpendicular to the base of the pyramid, not just the base of a side of the pyramid. So in this case, we have a third times 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So let's calculate this. A third of 32 would be 10.6 repeating. And then if I added 64, that would be 74.6 repeating. It and didn't say to round to a certain number, but I would just estimate this to approximate this to 74.7 cubic meters.